morning, everybody. It's Randy with Carchaeology. I am in the truck and I'm on my way down to Sebastian's. Apparently, he is finished with what he is doing to the Brubaker Box, and with any luck, we might actually be able to even drive it under its own power. Now, I know we still need to mess around with battery location to get a battery in there permanently, so I think Ben will probably be involved with building a good battery box there, but I think brakes are settled. Stuff should be good. We might do a final bleed on the brakes when I get there, and then maybe take it for a spin around the block. At least that's what I'm hoping for. So follow along and let's see what happens today with the Brubaker Box. So, time to bleed the brakes. Of course, reaching that brake pedal is a bit of a challenge, especially with size 15 feet. Gonna have to do a little work there. Now, fortunately at Seb's, there is a dog to pet. That always makes things happen nicely. Seb is working out a battery location temporarily here so we can start this thing. I am so excited to get this car out on the road. It's looking like a car, but once it moves, it'll really feel like one. So here's the quick battery hookup. We need
Holy shit.
Uh-oh, what? Oh, things are smoking. Nice. That's not good.
Still, it's super. It's overheating it. I can cut it and I will check that at your place, I guess.
I guess.
Because I need to remove the whole thing for that.
All right. Now, the ergonomics in this thing are not really well thought out. Now, we might have to trim that shifter down a little bit so you don't impale yourself as you try to get in there. Obviously, mounting the battery up is something that we need to do. That's going to go up underneath the car when the time comes. And, well, we need a real key instead of a screwdriver. Well, it's cranking, but no spark. Started so good last time. Come on. Go, go, go. Now, it's always frustrating when you think you have something figured out and it starts reliably, everything's good. The last trip down, it was doing that.
I want that to stop.
But this time, it's given us grief. So the car's a little bit possessed, but eventually we'll figure this out, I'm sure. Just sorting out the bugs, pun intended, in the bugging box. All right, let's give it a go. Man. And nothing. Now, why is the spark so weak then? That's weird.
No, it's not weak. It's not. It's like I did not had it.
Really? Huh.
You know, those are electronic points.
Right. Huh. There it goes.
I think this is here.
It's something in the column then?
I think the switch.
Come on, baby. You can do it. I believe in you. Damn, these silly little cars kick our butt every single time, don't they?
I don't know.
I don't know either. You just can't stop. Gotta figure it out. It's always something simple, something stupid. Maybe it's flooded. Ah, there's a little life. Patience and persistence always wins out. At least I hope it will.
I am kind of baffled right now.
I know. It's like the thing fired up so easy the other day, and now it's just fighting us. Like, what the fuck?
And it smells like gas bad.
Yeah.
So it's good. We have
So you know
gas.
it's getting gas.
It's the spark.
It's just flooded, or the spark is bad?
The spark. I have a bad spark for sure. It should fire up even with like that.
So Seb's doing the hillbilly check to make sure everything's sparking, putting his hands on all the pipes. If they're hot, you know there's fire. Pretty simple, effective. And if you do it before the engine gets too hot, you might actually still have some flesh on your hands. It's like it's hitting on all 4 cylinders. That's a good sign. All right. Stop messing around underneath there, Seb. Let's see if we can make this car go. Yes, it's hot. It's hot. He's a glutton for punishment, that one.
Rev it up a little bit.
Yeehaw. Damn, that little motor sounds pretty darn good. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see the Brubaker box roll out of here under its own power. Let's hopefully actually have brakes and gears and steering wheel doesn't fall off and the wiring doesn't all cook. You know, all of those sort of things. But so far, so good. I love it. Yeah, dude, it's so fucking good. Smoking a little bit, but it's moving under its own power. This is good. It's smoking pretty bad. I don't know what's going on with that.
The engine is not running very good yet.
Right. Well, run it a little bit more. Do another lap. Oh no, he's stuck. Oh, he made it.
I
Excellent.
found took me some time, but
Yeah, no, I think once you get it down, you can open it and close it.
Let me cut the key.
Yeah. Awesome. Running, moving under its own power. Finally, the Brubaker box. Obviously, still some work to do. Well, a lot of work to do, but that's a great start. It's a car now. It's not just a chunk of fiberglass and a bunch of parts. Heck yeah. It looks so cool going down the road, dude. It's incredible. Really incredible.
No, it's after 3 turns I was getting used to it.
Yeah.
The engine has a lightened flywheel and everything.
Right.
So that's why it's good on high.
Yeah.
But on low, it's like doesn't want to push, you know?
Yeah. No, it sounds awesome. The motor sounds really good. It's still smoking a little bit, maybe, but it seems to be less, and maybe it just needs to be run. Yeah. Yeah, so rad. Yep, brake lights work. Brake lights work.
Yeah. Running light.
Okay.
Can you check on the front?
Hit the brakes too while the running lights are on.
Oh, okay, because I need to contact the key on that.
This one's a little dim. What, headlights? Oh, there we go. Sort of. All right. Yeah, they work.
Yeah?
Kind of. I mean, it looked like you had to jiggle this in order to make it work.
No, actually the problem is that one was unplugged.
Oh, okay.
On the relay. That's why I just put it on and it was on.
Okay, cool. Awesome. So we've got lights. We have camera and we have action. This is good. Heck yeah. All right, so some brake adjustment and further fiddling, and watching Sebastian get out of this thing never gets old. Easy. Well, I think our work here is done. Thank you so much to Sebastian for all your efforts on getting the Brubaker on its wheels, up and running and moving. Now it's time to bring it back to the lab and really get busy with the final details of making this car a car to remember. So stinking fun just seeing it move. And this was a fiberglass body that landed here just a little while ago. Now it's running and driving. I love it. Yeah. So there you go. More progress on the Brubaker box. It has now landed here at the lab. I'm going to roll it out into the shop, and then I can get started doing some cleanup, do some more mechanical bits, do the painting of the bumpers, got to get working on the interior, etc., etc., etc. But now it's a car. It actually runs, it drives, it looks pretty freaking badass going down the road, and I'm getting much more excited about finishing off this project. So please follow along, subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, and watch for the next one, because there will be more. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Keep on digging them up and driving them. Bye-bye.